My name is Luis Fleischman. I am here a professor at the Lifelong Learning Society. I have a Ph.D. from the New School for Social Research, and the theme of my doctoral dissertation is the development of state and civil society in Argentina. Also, for the last 20 years, I've worked for the Jewish Federations of Central New Jersey and Palm Beach County, where I focused on issues related to the Middle East, the Arab world, the Israeli-Palestinian conflict, and United States security. In this course that I will be teaching is Latin America in the post-Chavez era. I will be teaching about the recent book I published called also Latin America in the post-Chavez era. In that course, I analyzed the deterioration of democracy and the rise of authoritarian revolutionary regimes in Latin America, how these regimes cut alliances with drug cartels, guerrilla movements, and Iran and other movements and other terrorist groups from the Middle East. I tried to analyze each element separately, and eventually I reached the conclusion that in Latin America there is an emerging threat to the United States security. I invite you to come to my course. I've been writing about Latin America and the Bolivarian Revolution and the relations with Iran and the drug cartels for about 4 years as the co-editor of the Americas Report, a publication of the Center for Security Policy. I invite you to this course because it's important to learn about a geopolitical problem that is usually not discussed in the American public sphere. And it's not discussed mainly because there are problems in other parts of the world where US policymakers are focused on. Latin America is just a few miles away, if you wish, from our the most southern border. So it is extremely important for us to be conscious of what is going on south of the border. I invite you to come to this course, and I look forward to seeing you in my class that begins on October 17th and goes on for about 5 Thursdays afterwards between the hours of noon and 1:30 p.m. I look forward to seeing you all.